On the Music Library mezzanine, you can find Mac computer workstations equipped with many software programs for score notation, multi-track recording, virtual audio synthesis programs, and editing. Other workstations have players for CDs, which can make copies, DVDs, VHS tapes, cassettes, and turntables for playing vinyl LP records. For multiple viewers, there is the group viewing room equipped with an Xbox, DVD player, VHS player, and audio CD player. Also on the mezzanine, there is a digital, touch-sensitive piano. Another digital piano can be found on the first floor of the library, along with a handicap-accessible workstation with software for score notation, multi-track recording, and virtual audio synthesis programs. There is also a reel-to-reel tape machine. The audio recording programs have a wide range of virtual instruments ranging from violins to outer space-sounding synthesizers. To find game discs for the Xbox and headphones for the digital pianos, please go to the front desk and ask a staff member for assistance.